The moment of truth, guys. I am now heading to the computer fair. Just gonna do the final price check, and if all things goes well, hopefully they will have it cheaper so I can have it today. So I've just bought everything from the computer fair, and it's, I would say, roughly about 15% cheaper if you go there and buy them. I can't wait to go home and actually put all these together. So I will see you at home, and we're gonna spend a whole day doing this. Hopefully everything will work fine, but chances are they're not gonna be. Hey, so I just got home and finally loaded everything back at home. He's so happy. Yeah, so here it is. Right, I'm gonna get something to eat now and clear up the desk, and I'll show you guys if I can do it successfully. It's probably gonna take a couple of hours because I'm gonna get some refresh on how to do it first, because I really don't want to screw this up and I don't want to waste time trying to figure out a problem. I have a tendency of doing things too quickly on things that I'm just really hyped about, so really want to do it right the first time. And hopefully when I push that blue button, it will come to fruition and it will be glorious. Yeah. So I'll show you guys when I'm got the whole table set up. Right, basically I've got all my stuff from there, and generally it's quite cheap, so if you're looking for part out, definitely recommend you go there and check it out. But long story short, I've got everything now and I'm gonna build the whole thing today. But it's gonna be my first time. It will be a really good intro video as a kind of a debut. But in general, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I am by no means, an expert on anything. In fact, I'm as amateur as it gets. But I figure it will be a good project for me to just get my hands on stuff, and we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Motherboard, and putting the RAM, all that supposedly really simple stuff, but in all honesty, God, I was struggling quite a bit. I wasn't sure whether what I was doing was right or not, but I'm gonna take a little break now and just make myself a tea or something and get back to it. But I'll see you guys next. I just plug in the power cable, and this is the moment of truth. It's on. It's working! Yes! It's got power. Wow, look at it. Okay, nice. Let's have a look. Turns out it wasn't that, for some reason it just decided to turn off and then turn back on. It might be just the first time I'm trying to build the system. But as you can see, all three of these are spinning. Cooler Master CPU one is also spinning, and the back, I'm guessing that's an intake, is also spinning. So yes, right, I'm gonna, so happy that it's actually working. It's got power. I gotta check the bio now, which again is gonna be the first time I ever do it. But gotta plug in the monitor, the mouse, and see how the system is performing. Right, I will show you guys later. Right, so here we go. We are done. I think this is working. I bought a pretty low-end Wi-Fi card, so I don't think it's achieving the most speed on the Wi-Fi. But as far as the computer is concerned, it is blazing fast. It's amazing. I love it.